It's a 2017 Dodge Challenger. Get ready to sit behind the wheel of one of the most intimidating cars on the road with incredible muscle, safety, and comfort. Your adrenaline starts rushing as you approach this icon with its dual exhaust tips, retro design, and illuminated door handles. Getting in and on the road is quick and painless with keyless enter and go, and the perfect temperature has never been more effortless with dual zone climate control. You'll have ample storage space in the trunk as well as room to stretch your legs comfortably in the cabin. Controlling your technology is easy with integrated voice command with Bluetooth. Plus, ride with confidence with ready alert braking, all-speed traction control, and advanced multi-stage airbags. Come on, let's get real. Muscle wins every time, and this Challenger delivers. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.